guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I have a package from Etsy, and this is from I believe that the maker is called Maggie Makes. I'm going to go ahead and check that. Hopefully she left me a letter or a note inside of here to let me know that. Let's see. Yes. Oh, Maggie's Minders is what her shop name is called, is Maggie's Minders. And she made this stuff. She does custom work, and she doesn't charge any extra to do it custom. Oh, look. She put a couple of little mints in there for me. So it's so small, but it's pretty special. I can't wait to see what these look like. As I was saying, she makes this stuff and she will customize it for you at your request. And I asked her if she could put some strawberries on this and wildberry for Wildberry Quilting. And this is a ruler for measuring out cross stitch. And she's got this lovely little pink tassel. I love that. And you can see how she customized it for me. Now, she did not have an image of strawberries. I told her exactly what I was looking for, and this is what she came up with. And I think she did a beautiful job. And as you can see, we've got regular inches over here. I believe these are centimeters. Yep, on this side. And then the portion in between has all of the different sizes for cross stitch. We've got, Aida sizes and linen sizes and everything in between. It looks like it covers size 11, 14, 16, 18, 22, 25, 26, 28, 30, 32, 36, and 40. And my goodness, look at how close those little lines are for the 40. Wow. I wonder how easy that'll be to actually be able to interpret against the fabric. That's going to be interesting to try out and see. All right, I got more than just that though. I got a couple of other things. I got one of these little corner guides, and I actually expected that it was going to be a hole drilled through here in these spots so that I could just take a pen and mark it through onto my fabric or something. But maybe that's not how they normally are, or maybe you're just supposed to do that on your own, like drill it all the way through. It's at least got it marked, so it would probably be easy enough to take a little drill bit and poke it right through there. And it measures out your 1 inch from the corner, 2 inch, 3 inch, and then 4 inch. And it also has a little guide on the side to figure out what the count of your fabric is. But it has far less of them than what the other one did. This only goes 11 count, 14 count, 16 count, 18 count, 22, and 25. So far fewer on that one, but still very useful. How this one, I thought this was really interesting and unique, and I haven't seen this in any other shops. So I was really excited to get this, and I think it's going to be really useful. Oh, and I forgot to show you. She did put my little strawberry there and then wildberry right here. And it might look backwards to you, but it's not backwards to me. I'm not sure how that's going to look on camera. All right, so this is the really special and unique one. Again, she customized it up here for me, but then it measures out counting by tens for all of the different sizes, or at least a few of the different sizes for 11 count, 14 count, 16 count, 18 count, 22 count, and 25 count. So say that you are using 11 count. You can use this as a guide to count up to 20 on your project, so that you're not sitting there trying to count each individual hole to go. You can just hold this up to it and you know exactly 20 stitches over or 20 squares over, and then you're going to put your stitch there if you know you're going 20. So I thought that was really cool and a very unique and different tool. Now this is, I believe the color was birch. Let me look at the, yes. So these 3 I ordered in Baltic birch, but she did have a second color choice, which is, I think it was walnut, and I did get one of those to show you as well. Let me see if I can separate these papers so I can confirm what, yes, it's just walnut. I was wondering if it had something additional to the name. So this is what the walnut color looks like. It's very pretty too. It's maybe a little bit more grayish than it's showing up on camera because it looks a little bit red toned on camera, but it's a little bit, I think it's a little bit more grayish than that. So side by side, this is the Baltic birch and that is the walnut. So in case you are wanting to order one of these for yourself, hopefully this will help you decide which color you want to go with. I think these are going to be so useful, and I'm going to put them into different bags so that I can test them all out and see what I like the best. Maybe I'll give you guys an update on that so that you guys will know. And wow, these tassels are really nice. I'm thinking she may have used, if she made these herself, which I'm not sure if she did or not, she may have just bought the tassels, but they are a silky kind of a thread. So maybe they're rayon or polyester, maybe, if they're already made. If she made them herself, then I would guess that they're probably like the rayon threads or flosses. But I don't really know whether she made them herself or not. But they do look pretty, and I like the colors she picked. Well, that was it for that one. And let me actually hold this up for you so you can see her business card in case you've got any questions. Oh, I don't know how well that's actually showing on camera though. There you go, maybe like that. So if you want something customized, I would suggest just reaching out and sending her a message on Etsy and telling her exactly what you were, explain to her exactly what it is that you would like her to do and see if she can do it. Because the customization felt would only let me type in a couple of letters. I think it was like 15 letters max. So there wasn't a way to really describe stuff in that. I had to contact her separately. So, but it was really easy and she was really simple to work with. So no problems there. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.